An ABC investigation found that some privacy gaps are out there when it comes to free public Wi-Fi.
If you take advantage of the public Wi-Fi, some of your personal information could be put at risk. 7's on your side with what you can do to protect your information. Greta Cruz in our newsroom with the details. Greta?
Well, Allison, we've been hearing a lot lately about the naked celebrity photos getting out there. And that, of course, is horrible. But just as worrisome and easily stolen is your credit card and banking information.
Public Wi-Fi hotspots offer quick and easy internet access everywhere from coffee shops to airports. But that free connection may have a hidden price. Hackers intercepting very private information. Just to show you how easy it is, hacking specialist Caleb Huff created a hotspot in a public park. Others quickly joined, and in minutes he could access everything they were doing online.
I'm setting this rogue hotspot out there as a lure.
He didn't peek at strangers' activities, but did see this reporters.
What can you learn about me now? So now we're connected.
So right now, you just went to google.com.
He also saw her email username and password as she entered it.
And from this point, I can log into your inbox. I can get personal information.
And see everything, even personal photos.
That's a private photo of my daughter, and you're able to open that up in my computer.
Right.
The industry is trying to provide protection for all these things, but there are so many different vulnerabilities that, in fact, it would be almost impossible to plug them all.
How to protect yourself? Verify the connection is legit with the host before signing in. Make sure your file sharing settings are set to private, not public. And don't use the same password for every site in case it's ever stolen.
There can be wolf in sheep's clothing hiding any place in any hotspot.
Now, the trade association Wi-Fi Alliance says public hotspots can be secure and the risk is low, but clearly hacking is a lot easier than many of us realize. Live in the newsroom, Greta Cruz, ABC 7 News.
Wow. Okay, Greta, thank you very much.
I think the rule is with your data, always expect the worst.
Exactly.
Okay?
Be
Protect
prepared.
yourself.
Yeah.